Hi, welcome back to my channel, Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing another pearl pour, and this is the first time I'll be using some pigments. There's no paint in these three pigments, so let's get going. This first pigment is, I think, the most beautiful purple that I've seen. It's just amazing. It's Snapdragon by Primary Elements. You can see that. Oops. So yeah, if you want a shimmery purple, get this one. The next one is a mix between Piggy Lily Pad and Primary Elements Kiwi. The next one is a Chroma Molten Metals Copper. So if you want a metallic that pearls, this brand, all of them, the metallics pearl really well. So check it out. Got it on Amazon. If you go down to my shop, you'll see, just click on my shop and most of the things that I use are there. So check it out. It comes in like a 5-pack, so you'll get gold and silver and other tints of gold. This one is a Primary Elements Solar Gold. Solar Gold. And this one is a mix of blues, so I'll put that right here. I just mixed all these to make this color. All my paints are very thin. This is a very dark blue. It seems like blues pearl better than other colors. Paints are super thin. The base coat is, I mean, it sinks right in. So that, all my pigments are, first of all, I put polycrylic. I wet the pigments with polycrylic. Then I add a little bit of, I add GAC 800 and Liquitex pouring medium. And then, if it needs to be thickened up, I use Floetrol also. I didn't really measure. I just sort of mixed it. And if it needs to be thicker, I added a little golden regular gel gloss. So you still want them thin. No water in the pigments. The colors are mixed with Floetrol, GAC 800, and a squirt of Liquitex pouring medium for these two. And then my base coat is 3.5 parts Floetrol, 1 part Artist Loft Soft Body, a 1/4 part GAC 800, a 1/2 part Deco Satin Enamel, 1 part Behr 7050 white. It's right off the shelf. It's already white. And then 1 part 7300 Behr, which is untinted. And that's also a satin enamel. So, as you could see, it goes right in, sinks in. This is a weird size. Where's that? It's a 15 by 12 canvas. Why it's a weird size, I don't know. It's a scraped canvas. It was brand new. Anyway, I can't see my measuring tape, but it's about a 15 by 12. So let's get going. I'm going to go ahead and put the soft body direct right out of the bottle. I'm going to brush it on. That way the pearls stay cling to the sides and they don't, they stick better. Also, if you're interested in these handles I'm using, you can go to my Amazon shop click on it, and you can get these on Amazon. Especially with the Pearl Pour, they keep your hands a lot cleaner. So check it out. So I'll be back as soon as I get set up. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to get these few little things in here, and I'm going to go ahead and get the white paint off and save that, and I'll be back. I'm sorry, I'm not sure if you got that. I put it down in the order purple, green, copper, gold, blue. Then I put a little bit more of the purple on top. Don't know if that was recorded. So I just popped some bubbles. There's a lot of paint on here. So I'm going to get some off here. I did a test tile, and the purple was very, I guess cloudy, you might say. But I liked the way it looked. I don't know what's happening down there, but I think I still need to get more off, so I'm going to keep tilting. Come on. Come on. Almost there. No negative space, but that's okay. Come on, you could do it. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. I want that to go all the way off the side. Okay. Now I can bring it back. Like I was saying, the purple gives sort of a misty look to it on some of the test tiles that I did. So I'm just bringing it back to the center. So let's see what this one does. Just have one gooby, which is pretty good for all that paint. All right, let's see the magic happen, and hopefully it's good. So I'll put you on time lapse, and we'll be back. Here's a close-up for you. If anything changes, I will put the dried result at the end of the video. But I'm loving this. I'm glad I didn't mess with it. I like it like it is. Organic. The purple is beautiful. There's the blue. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Amazon shop. Keep on pouring. Till next time. Bye.